There's a heist happening in Orlando right now. The target? Your hard-earned money. The culprit? Skyrocketing energy bills. But here's the plot twist. You have the power to stop it. Imagine turning Florida's relentless sun into your personal money-making machine. It might sound too good to be true, but this is the future of energy, and it's already within your reach. So how do you pull off this switch? Let's break it down. Imagine this. Sleek solar panels installed on your roof, efficiently absorbing sunlight throughout the day. These panels convert the sunlight into direct current electricity. Then, an inverter steps in to transform that DC electricity into alternating current, which is what powers everything in your home. And here's the kicker. On those extra sunny days when you're generating more power than you need, you can actually send that excess energy back to the grid. It's like having a savings account for electricity. Now let's talk benefits. We're not just talking about saving a few bucks here and there. We're talking significant savings on your electricity bills, reduced dependence on utility companies, and protection against those pesky rising energy costs. Plus, you'll be doing your part for Mother Earth by reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win. And with the unpredictable weather in Florida, solar can give you more energy independence. During power outages caused by hurricanes or storms, having a solar system with a battery backup could keep your lights on when the grid goes down. Wondering about the cost? It depends on a few factors, like the size of your system and how complex the installation is. But here's some good news. There are plenty of incentives to help make solar more affordable. For example, the federal government offers a 30% tax credit for solar installation. Plus, thanks to Florida's net metering policy, you get full retail credits for any excess energy your system sends back to the grid. That's money in your pocket. But before you jump on the solar bandwagon, there are a few things to consider. You'll need to factor in your energy consumption, available roof space, and budget. A typical Orlando home using about 1,000 kilowatt hours per month would need a 7 to 8 kilowatt system to go fully solar. And here's a pro tip. When choosing an installer, don't rush the decision. Look for companies with experience in Florida's unique climate, check reviews, and make sure they offer solid warranties. Getting multiple quotes and asking the right questions can make all the difference. Now let's address some common concerns. Worried about roof damage or hurricane impacts? Don't be. Modern solar panels are built tough, designed to withstand high winds and last for decades. And on those rare cloudy days in Orlando, your panels will still produce electricity, just at a reduced efficiency. The future of solar in Orlando is incredibly bright. With ongoing advancements in technology and decreasing costs, we expect to see even more homes throughout the city powered by the sun. So, what do you think? Are you ready to explore solar energy for your home? It's not just an investment in your future savings, but in a cleaner, greener future for all of us. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about sustainable living in Florida, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more sensational videos soon. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.